I've been calling you all night, babe. What happened?
But why were you blowing up my phone?
I was calling everybody's phone last night, man. I couldn't find her.
Looking for your wife?
She did not come home last night, man. She finally got here this morning. Finally. Tisha, what's the issue, son?
Peut-être depuis bien longtemps, mon petit jeu pour. Bah, qui s'implique. Donc, le temps pour moi, un cadeau. Une balle la guerre. Son la gueule besoin de balle. Mais, ou te mettre tes fou, ou te mettre tes sous, ou enragé, puis vous jamais vu bouche ou elle dit Marie le bail comme ça.
You look like you're freaking out. Is everything okay?
Yeah, it's about Max.
Max. What about Max?
You okay?
No, I'm not okay. You just don't get it, do you?
What did I do now?
You did absolutely nothing.
What did I do?
You don't get it.
There's always a
You
problem.
just
There's always a
don't
problem
get it.
with you. I don't know what happened. What's going on?
C'est guess. Viens continuer là. Viens mon cher, viens continuer.
What the hell?
Ton écrasé pour être côté aller. Pas prendre la cara non, ton est boule m'a foutu. M'a tout dit maman ça.
Yes, I am for real. You have to leave. You have to leave. I'm busy. I have a store to run.